Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up two-factor authentication, 2FA, on Coinbase to add an extra layer of security to your account. Following these steps will help protect your funds and personal information from unauthorized access. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the mobile app and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using a secure and trusted device. Step 2. Go to Security Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. On the website, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Then, go to the Security tab. Step 3. Find Two-Factor Authentication. In the Security Settings, look for the Two-Factor Authentication section. Here, you'll see options for setting up 2FA. Click on the button to enable it. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You can set up 2FA using an authentication app, like Google Authenticator or Authy, or by receiving SMS text messages. We recommend using an authentication app for enhanced security. Step 5. Setting up an authentication app. If you choose to use an authentication app, 1. Download and install Google Authenticator or Authy on your mobile device. 2. Open the app and select the option to add a new account. 3. You will either scan a QR code or enter a setup key provided by Coinbase. Step 6. Enter your 2FA code. After adding your Coinbase account to the authentication app, it will generate a 6-digit code. Return to the Coinbase 2FA setup page and enter this code to verify your setup. Step 7. Backup your recovery codes. Coinbase will provide you with a set of recovery codes. Save these in a secure place. They can be used if you lose access to your authentication method. Step 8. Complete the process. Once you have entered the verification code and saved your recovery codes, you'll receive a confirmation that 2FA has been successfully set up. Step 9. Test your 2FA. To ensure everything is working correctly, log out of your account and log back in. You should be prompted to enter the code generated by your authentication app or received via SMS. By following these steps, you've successfully added an extra layer of security to your Coinbase account with two-factor authentication. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides and tips. Thank you for watching.